Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Nothing's Better Than, and this is a sweet little chocolate card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so here's another video with Nothing's Better Than, and today we'll be using chocolate. So first I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. And I have a piece of Whisper White, and I have the nesting labels, or maybe it's nested. I'll put the description down. And then I have a piece of vellum. We'll run that through. Alright, and I do have a piece of the grid paper we're going to stamp off. So first of all, I have Today Is, and that's mounted on clear block G. And I'm going to put it right up here. And then I have Kind of Day, and that's also mounted on clear block G. I'm going to put it right there. And then I have the chocolate, and this is Early Espresso. So just like that, I have another small piece of Whisper White. And then I have our little chocolates here mounted on block B. I'm going to stamp off and then put that down like that. And then I have the top part of the chocolates, and that's mounted on clear block B as well. So just like that, that is all the stamping that we're doing. Actually, I'm going to bring in the Big Shot one more time. We have our little candies here to cut out. Alright, so let's start putting this card together. I'm going to take this piece and mount it on my vellum, just like that. Okay, I have a piece of the Neutrals Designer Series paper, and we're going to use the polka dot side. That is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And then I have a piece of Early Espresso, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. This is throwing me off a little bit. All right. And then I have the FAUX suede trim, and I'm just going to put it around here. I am going to go ahead and put my adhesive. Normally I tape it, but this adhesive really holds it in place. So you can use your preference if you like the regular tape or if you like the Stampin' Seal. All right, and then our card base is Whisper White Thick, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. All right, so just like that, I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals here. And you want to make sure to just put it where you can see the white parts because the adhesive will show through the vellum, and we don't want that. So I'm going to put it right here, and then I'm going to pop my little candies up. Well, let's see, do I want them? Yeah, I think I'd want them right there. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple chocolate card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!